Hello guys, it's me again. Ang vlog natin ngayon ay ang Lead Beauty Mask. Ito ay may tatlong kulay. Blue for acne, orange for brighter skin, and red for reduce wrinkles. Hi! Unboxing tayo ng Lead Beauty Mask. Enjoy the beauty of the moment. And 10 minutes. You can do it at home. Overcoming acne. Ito yung benefits niya. Overcoming acne. Beauty or beauty. Smoothing. What is that? Smoothing lines. Smoothing fine lines. Light skin. Open na natin, RR. Open na natin. Where are we gonna open this one? Here. Wow. Wow. This one. Ito yung mask. Oh wow, ganda. Try natin. This one. We try the other. Yung laman. So yung ano niya, brochure. User guide. Yung charger. I-charge muna natin ito, RR. I-charge muna natin. Para makita natin kung anong effect. Yeah. Ito yung charger, oh, kasama. Ay, dalawa. Ay, may kasama siyang pwede sa cellphone. Saka dalawa siya. Extra. Ipinakita rin niya ay yung support. Charge muna natin ha. Try natin mamaya.
One eternity later.
Hello ulit guys. Nakapaghilamos na ako. Maglagay ako ng toner. Ito yung ginagamit ko, Beauty Derm. Pero nasa sa inyo kung anong product ang gamitin nyo. Sit down here. Don't go there. You can go there. And then, after ng toner, maglagay kayo ng cream. Or kung sa gabi, night cream. Kung sa umaga, day cream. Ngayon gabi, so night cream. Nandito. Look at mama. Look at the face of mama. Here, here. Oh, you can have this one. Kahit anong brand na gusto nyo, pwede nyo gamitin. You can go there. Come on here. Don't touch it. Come on here. Sit down here. Sit down. Come on. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down here. Sit down. Good boy. And then, ito siya. Ito na yung, saka, hindi pa siya masyadong full charge, kaya, i-charge ko muna. This one, Mama Cream. Ito na yung first day ko. Ayan. Itong red light, ano siya? Ay, teka. Itong blue pala. Itong blue. Blue light, bacteria, light lane. Ito yung, nag-aano ng bacteria. Papatayin nyo yung bacteria sa face natin. Ito yung user manual niya. Basahin natin yung product principles. This product uses 3 kinds of lights. This product uses 3 kinds of light sources: red, blue, and orange. Through the nanotechnology light guide material, the principle of biophototherapy is used to give the skin gentle a massage that accelerate metabolism of the skin, make the skin bright and glossy, evenly, and illuminate the specific light source with different wavelengths of the face can effectively reduce the production of acne, stimulate production of collagen, improve cells microcirculation, which can be better achieve the skin beauty combined with the mask and essence. Ito yung niya, product principle. Ito na siya, guys. Dito yung on and off. Yan. Red, kung gusto nyo i-change. Then blue. Orange. Yan. Tatlong kulay siya. Yung orange, orange light brighten skin. Ito nakalagay dyan. And then, next one is red. Ito yung red. Red light reduce wrinkles. Ito yung sa mga kulubot. And then, the blue light bacteria light lane. Ito yung nag-aano ng mga virus. Yung blue light. Blue light muna ako. Tapos, gagamitin nyo siya ng 10 to 15 minutes. 2 to 3 times a week. Ayan. Yun na nga, guys. Maghilamos muna kayo. Maglagay kayo ng toner, tapos cream bago ito. And then, ano pa dito? To switch another light source every time you touch the switch. And then yun nga, 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. After you use, wipe the main body of a dry cloth. Do not rinse it directly with the water. Hindi nyo siya pwedeng basain kaagad. Ano lang siya, dry cloth. Yung paglilinis, keep away from children. Kung sira na siya, hindi na siya pwedeng gamitin. And then, bawal siya sa mga pregnant. Yan, tingnan natin, guys, after ng 21 days kung anong result. Change light eh. Yan. Yan yung orange, red, then balik tayo sa blue. Yan. Yan, chill muna si Mama. Tapos itong light niya, may nakaano sa dito sa USB. May charger din siya. Yung isa yung charger. Ito, same, phone to phone. Pwede yun siyang i-charge sa phone lang. Tsaka direct dito. Tapos yung isa, ito, dito yun sa USB. Sa saksakan. Hi! Hi! Nakatingin si baby. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Hadi bra na. Hadi. Hadi. Hadi bra. Bye. Bye. Oh, wala na. Ito na yung paborito na Blippi.